Hi friends, this is class 12 ISC economics syllabus we are discussing, and now we are going to discuss what is public finance. The syllabus, what is there in the syllabus in the subhead public finance, and this is a general syllabus for class 12, so there is no reduction mentioned in this part of the syllabus which I am discussing with you. Under public finance you have to study basically two things. Let me discuss the first one which you have to study is called fiscal policy. Okay, fiscal policy. Now you know what is finance and what is public finance. That means wherever the word public comes, you are aware that this is not private, this means this is government. So if it is finance with the government, it is government's finance, and here we are talking about something called fiscal policy. Here you have to know what is the meaning of fiscal policy, right? And you also have to know instruments of fiscal policy. That means how is fiscal policy taken care of, so I'm just writing instruments of fiscal policy. Okay, so this is number one. Syllabus says, IC syllabus tells us that you have to know the meaning and the instruments of fiscal policy. That means they want you to understand something called public revenue. Okay, I'm just mentioning the words here. Public revenue, you have to know what is this thing. Then you have to know what is the meaning of public revenue. You have to know taxes. So here it is, you have to know the meaning, you have to know taxes. I'm just mentioning all the keywords. You have to know taxes, meaning and types. You have to know difference between direct and indirect taxes. So I'm just mentioning what is a direct tax, you have to know. Okay, and you have to know what is indirect tax. Okay, these are two important things here. You have to know what is public expenditure. Okay, since there is revenue, of course the second word, you have to know how this money is to be spent. So public expenditure, let me put it expenditure. Okay, and public expenditure, again you have to know what is meaning and importance. Okay, meaning and importance of this. And you have to know something called public debt. Public debt. All right, here also you have to know the meaning, and there's a word called redemption. Okay, you have to know what is redemption under public debt. And there is one more term which you need to know. I'm just putting it on the side here, which is called deficit financing. This is important. Okay, let me put it somewhere here. You have to know what is deficit financing. Okay, so this is the first part where we are discussing the fiscal policy. There is a second part to this module under public finance. There is another thing which you have to study, and the second part is government budget. Okay, this is interesting because every year we have an annual budget and we all keenly watch what exactly happens here. So you have to know what is a government budget. You have to know the meaning. Okay, you have to know types and components. Okay, all right. So the syllabus also mentions a little bit more in detail which you are expected to know. That is, other than knowing the meaning and types of government budget, that is, what are the types means, you have to know what is a union budget, what is a state budget. Okay, so union and state, these are keywords. You also have to know what is, what are the components, that is revenue and capital. Again keywords, revenue and capital. All right, this is important. You also have to know concept of deficit budget. Let me just put it. All right, so you have to know deficit budget. And here are certain keywords that you are expected to know, which is revenue deficit, Okay, revenue deficit. You have to know fiscal deficit. Let me put it. Okay, then you have to know primary deficit. Okay, so you have to know the meaning and implication. Meaning, you have to know the meaning and implications. Alright, so this is all you have under this part of the syllabus. Let's just uh, go through this once more, what we have tried to understand here. IC Economics, Public Finance. This part, it asks you two basic things. First one is fiscal policy. So you have to know meaning, instruments of fiscal policy. You have to know what is public revenue. Okay, you have to know taxes, direct and indirect taxes. All of this form, part of public revenue. And when you are talking about revenue, then there is, as we discussed also earlier, you have to know what is public expenditure. So what is public debt, what is redemption, and what is deficit financing. This is very important. I have repeated it again for you. Second part under this module is government budget. You have to know meaning, types, components. That is, what is a union budget, state budget. You have to know what is revenue, what is capital. And when we move towards the end of this part, we have to know what is deficit budget. We have to know what is revenue deficit, what is fiscal deficit, what is primary deficit, and what are the implications of having such a deficit. So this is all we have under public finance as per the IC syllabus. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please share and subscribe. Thank you.